Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just doing a simple video on the 4 basic types of knots. I realized that for my channel it's necessary to have like the basics and try to just build it up, you know, so a beginner can find my videos and just start learning, and you know, I can put it in the card and they can like learn how to make bracelets. So this month I'm trying to make my channel more beginner friendly and just have some fun with YouTube and making videos. So here's a simple video on the 4 basic types of knots. And I do switch my hands for knots, and I am left-handed, if that makes any difference. So maybe the lefties are like, oh, okay. I don't know. Let's just jump right in. Okay, so there are 4 types of knots. There is a forward knot, a backward knot, a forward-backward knot, and a backward-forward knot. Sorry for saying hyphen, I'm just trying to like show you. So when knotting, you're always knotting 2 times. Like 2 times equals 1 knot. It's like math or something. But the yellow over here represents the bass string, and the blue represents the working string. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, if I can, and show you what to do. So you'll be working with this string, because it's your working string, and when you're thinking about a forward knot, you think about a forward 4. So you're gonna just create that 4, like so, and pull down on the yellow string if you can. My dog's barking, hold on. Okay, so I have my forwards 4, and I have like the rest of the string over here. This is my working string for this example. So when you think about it, you're just gonna have your bass string like this, and you're gonna wanna like hold your hand kind of weird, but you wanna like make that forwards 4. And then what you do is you push the working string under and through until you have this little twist, and then you just tie the knot. So you have a forwards 4. That's one half of the knot. So then to make the other half, you make another 4, and you try to hold the yellow string so it's easier to put your blue string under. So you can just push the blue string under again and pull it back through, and then you can just pull up and tighten like that. Now, to make a backwards knot, which is the next type, you are going to take this string, the working string, and make a backwards 4. So I have created my backwards 4. I'm just holding it in place with my finger. Backwards knots are a little bit weird to like think about, but you want to learn both types of knots so you're fluent, and it's not hard for you to learn the other type. So you're going to just make that forwards 4 again with this blue string over the yellow string, and push the blue string under the yellow string and through again. So then you're just gonna take it and pull tight. When you see the blue loop, that means the knot is gonna turn out blue, because sometimes when you first making bracelets, you'll mess up and it will look yellow. Sometimes that happened to me quite a few times. Okay, so then we're just gonna finish the knot, because we always have to knot twice, and make that backwards 4 shape and push under. Okay, that's not gonna help anybody. Okay, so you make that backwards 4, and then you push under the yellow string and pull back through with the blue. Then you can just pull up, and you have a backwards knot. So we've just made a forwards knot and a backwards knot. Next is a forward-backward knot. So it's pretty, easy to guess. You're going to start with a forwards 4 and make that first knot. So under and through, and then pull. And that's one half the knot. But then, since it's a forward-backward knot, you're going to do the next half of this as a backwards 4. Oh no, hold on. As a backwards 4. So then you'll be just making the backwards knot. Oh no. Okay, yeah, I'm just pulling it through. And then, so that's a forward-backwards knot. But then when you're making a backward-forward knot, you're going to do the opposite thing. So backward means to start with the backward, so the backwards first. I'm going to just zoom in a little bit to show you guys. Okay, so the backwards knot is first. So I'm holding this, and then I'll put the blue string under the yellow. Oh no, under the yellow and through and through. So that's the backwards knot, which is the first half of a backward-forward knot. And then to do a forward knot, you are just going to make that forwards 4. And loop it through again. So that is how you make all the 4 types of knots. I hope you now have a basic understanding of what to do to make bracelets. I hope you found this video very simple and very helpful. This is the foundation of your bracelet knowledge. It'll basically just guide you throughout your whole bracelet journey. These are the 4 knots you use to make every single bracelet, even if you use only 2 of them or only 1 of the types of knots, but you'll still be using these knots, and when you get them down, your bracelets will become so much easier to make. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.